Meenyan.
Spot the differences in this ukiyoe.
Spot the 5 differences.
Check the answers.
The cat's wearing sunglasses.
The goldfish is a turtle. The goldfish is holding candy.
There's a rat in one picture. It's something else in the other.
The goldfish is wearing shoes.
Spot the 5 differences.
Check the answers. The goldfish is a penguin.
There's a spider hanging from the top. There's a shark in one. The frog's a panda. The ice cream's a fan.